Hello kids! Welcome to Sheng Lessons!
Yay!
This time we are going to learn sequence of number from lowest to highest. Are you ready? Let's go! 4, 3, 5, 2. What is the sequence number, kid? What comes first? Wow! 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it right! How about 0, 2, 1, 3? What is the sequence, kid? What comes first? 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct! Next number. 7, 8, 9, 6. What is the sequence, kid? What comes first? Right, it's 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job! How about this one? 4, 6, 3, 5. What is the sequence, kid? Oh, what comes first? Oh, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct! Yay! How about this one? 4, 7, 6, 5. What is the sequence, kid? Alright, it's 4, 5, 6, and 7. Correct! Next, 8, 7, 9, 10. What is the sequence, kid? What comes first? Yeah, it's 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. How about this one? 8, 4, 6, 2. What is the sequence, kid? What comes first? Alright, it's 2, 4, 6, 8. Very good. How about this one? 3, 5, 7, 1. What is the sequence, kid? What comes first? From lowest to highest. 1, 3, 5, 7. Correct! This one. 10, 8, 6, 4. What is the sequence, kid? What comes first? Alright, it's 4, 6, 8, and 10. Very good. Next, 3, 9, 6, 12. What comes first? Check! It's 3, 6, 9, 12. Good job! How about this one? 7, 6, 8, 5. What comes first, kid? What is the sequence? Wow, it's 5, 6, 7, and 8. Correct! about this one? 20, 15, 10, 5. What comes first? What is the sequence, kid? All right, it's 5, 10, 15, and 20. Very good. Another one. 3, 9, 0, 6. What comes first? From lowest to highest. Yeah, it's 0, 3, 6, 9. Good job. You did great. Now, let's try this one. What are the missing numbers between 6, 8, and 10? What are the missing numbers? Right, it's 7 and 9. Very good. How about this one? What are the missing numbers between 5, 7, and 9? Correct! It's 6 and 8. Good job! How about this one, kid? Between 0, 2, and 4. What are the missing numbers? Correct! It's 1 and 3. Very good, kid. Very good. Wow! You did great today. Good job. For now, goodbye. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.